Hi everyone. So today's in this tutorial I will going to explain about how to copy the data from Oracle database to Azure Data Gen2. So I am going to my paint. So first of all I would like to explain about this scenario what we are doing in this video. So assume this is the source. So the source name is Oracle. Oracle. So inside the Oracle we have the different databases like database 1, database 2, database 3. So we have different databases. So inside the databases we have the tables. So we are having the tables. Table 1 like up to table 2 like that it will be there. So our requirement is we need to copy this Oracle database to our data lake. So this is the data lake Gen2 which is available in Microsoft Cloud ADLS 2. So inside the ADLS 2 we have the container, and inside the container we have the folder. So inside the folder we have the subfolders. Then inside the subfolder what we are having, we are having the file.csv. So where this file.csv came, this file.csv came from this database table. So this table is copied in the form of files here. So this is about the source and destination. Now we will see about the pipeline architecture. So assume this is the pipeline. So this is the pipeline, ADF pipeline. So what this pipeline will do, it will copy the data from Oracle to ADLS 2. So this is the pipeline. So in order to connect to the Oracle source, first what we need to do, we need to create the linked service. So to create the linked service, what we have to do, we need to know the username and password of this Oracle database, right? So by using the linked service, we are giving the credentials of the Oracle source like username and password in the linked service. So this is the linked service, and with this help of the linked service, we are able to connect this Oracle source. So once we are connected to this Oracle source, what we need to do? Then we need to create the data set. So this is the source data set. So what type of the data set I need to create here? So here the data is stored in the form of tables. So tables is nothing but rows and columns. Then I will prefer CSV format of the data set. Then I have created the source linked service as well as source dataset. Then what I need to do? I need to create the activity. So what is the purpose of activity? For the data movement purpose. Like I need to move the data from Oracle to ADLS 2. So in that case what I need to do? I need to create one data movement activity. In the ADF what is the data movement activity? Copy activity. So this is the copy activity. So this is the copy activity I have created. No. So what this copy activity will do? It will copy the data from Oracle to ADLS 2. So up to source everything is fine. So we have created linked service dataset and we have created the activity. Then coming to sync, this is the ADLS 2. So we need to copy the data from Oracle to ADLS 2, right? So here we need to place the files, Oracle tables in the form of files. So to place the files in the data lake, first what we need to do, we need to connect to this ADLS 2 again. So here we need data lake Gen2 credentials like username and password. So here we need to create the linked service again. for this destination. So once linked service is created, then what we need to do, we need to create the dataset again. So this is the dataset I am creating as a format of CSV. So this is the source dataset, this is the destination dataset. So this is how the ADF pipeline will be there. So now I will show you the practical demo. So this is the my Oracle. So inside the Oracle we have the different databases. So I am selecting this HR schema is one of the database. So I am expanding this one. I am expanding this tables. So inside the tables we have the different table names like countries, departments, employees. So I want to copy the data from employees tables. So I am coding this one. So this is the employee table data. So we need, this is in the form of rows and columns. So nothing but it is a structure of CSV. So we need to store this table in the form of CSV in the data lake. So I'm going to my data factory, Azure Data Factory. So go to Manage tab, then click on Linked Services. So according to our architecture, first what we need to do, we need to create the linked service for the Oracle. Then click on linked service, new, then search for the Oracle here. So this is the Oracle, then select this one, then click on continue, then give the naming convention as per your, like here I am giving ls underscore Oracle. Next, so Oracle is the on-premise source, right? So this is installed in my machine, it is not installed in any cloud. So further one, what I am doing, so integration runtime is self-hosted integration runtime which I am using. So how to install and set up the self-hosted integration runtime, I have did a video tutorial. Please watch my previous videos for this one. Then I am selected self-hosted integration runtime. Then we need to provide the details like host. So where all these details will come means, go to your Oracle. So this is the database HR schema. For this database we need details, right? Then click on new connection, select the database here. So this is the HR schema I have database. So for this database it will show all the details like my host name is localhost. This is the port number, this is the service name, and this is the username and password for this my Oracle. Then I am cancelling this one. Go to ADF. Then host name is the localhost. Port is common to every Oracle. Next here connection type. So here we will be having the two options like Oracle service name as well as Oracle SID. So I am connecting through Oracle service name because my Oracle SID is I have forgotten. Then my service name is, then my username, I am entering the password. Then click on test connection. So the connection got successful. Then click on create. So the source linked service is configured. Now what we need to do, we need to create the linked service for the destination also. Then click on new. So what is our destination? Data Lake Gen2. Then search for the Data Lake Gen2. This is the Data Lake Gen2. Then select this one. Give the naming convention. So this is Data Lake Gen2 will be available in the Microsoft Azure cloud. So the integration runtime is auto resolving integration runtime. Then authentication type is, we have the different options, but I am using account key. Then subscription, I am using the free trial. Then storage account name, this is my storage account name, Tech ADLS Dev. Then click on test connection. So the connection got successful. Then click on create. So here we have created the two linked services. So we have created a linked service for the source. We have created the linked service for the destination. Now what will we do? Now we will create the pipeline. Now click on pipelines. Click on new pipeline. Give the naming conventions. PL underscore Oracle to Data Lake. Data Lake Gen2. Now here you can select the activity. What activity I need to select? Copy activity. Then click on copy activity. Provide the naming convention ACT underscore copy. So here for this copy activity we need to provide the source and destination also. So for this copy activity what we need to do, we need to create the source dataset and we need to create the destination dataset. So for this copy activity our source dataset is CSV format which is pointing to Oracle source. So we need to create this one. So click on source, click on dataset, new dataset, then search for the source, Oracle source, then give it the naming convention of the dataset, ds underscore read Oracle table. Next one is the linked service which you have created previously. Next one here you can select the table name, right? So here the list of tables will be shown here. So these are the list of tables. So in this list of tables, what I need only employee table. Then search for this employee here. So HR.employees. Edit. HR is the schema, employees is the table name. Then click on OK. So for the source side, everything is ready. Next, for the destination, what we need to do? We need to create the link dataset again for the destination. So this is the destination. For this destination, I am creating the CSV format of the dataset. Click on new. Our destination is Data Lake Gen2. Then format is CSV format. Then here we need to provide the naming convention ds underscore write Oracle table. Then linked service you need to provide ls ADLS2 which is created previously. Then here we need to specify the path, in which path we need to store this CSV file. So this is my container name, data container. So inside the data container we have the folder called src Oracle. So inside the src Oracle I am storing the data. Then click on OK. Click on OK. So everything is got ready. So now now everyone will be do one common mistake here. So here the file extension is by default is text file. So if you, without checking this one, if you copy the data, then the file will be stored in the form of .txt. So our requirement is we need to store in the form of CSV. Then you need to change here. So I have changed it. Now I am debugging the pipeline. The pipeline got success. Here we can see like number of rows read is 107 rows written. Next 107 rows written. Now we'll go to data container. Here we can see SRC Oracle. Inside the SRC Oracle we have seen the HR employees.csv. So this is how we are copying the data from Oracle to our data lake Gen2. Now I am publishing this pipeline. Yeah. Thank you everyone.